Abusia meda wase na mama wo akwaba ede wo aba Malope TV. Ene da foforo. Ene 22nd January 2026. Nkameka 25. Mu mi ache amanfo frey se Ghana for pemasem pa o. Because many courses I will be after Malope ye uma they okay bibi aboko there be okay pa abusia ya me hira wa wo frɛ me bisa mase yenko ye ni mu na ye munu nsam so de enti a memba nyina ye mo ho adwenwene ene adwuma no a ye yo no ye underground work bi wonse me ka kire mo na masanso a hye mo se abrante no a ye frɛ no Ibokin no Chuku di Jude no obefri Ghana one ne Nigeria fo ebefri Ghana ye ni abre papa me pacho me team no o pesa wo beka me team no ho pacho betimi afrɛ me wo ye guy wo ye youth Ghanaian youth na o pesa wo beka Malope team no ye team ben we are fighting against the foreigners in our country ye ne wo mu e de besie ni pa nya de ye be ma foreigners kwan e ma won aba be se ye kuro Ghana to ye ba mu a na o pesa wo di Malope chu beka team no a team na yet no ye beba out ye be stop ye ba your friend is saying ebia baby a shawefo ye be call we are not going to allow them and in ntina ma be tisa team no into person ye boy girl na person be dwan and patcho betimi aba be dwan. Secondly your WhatsApp group no abroche for no do so chen Ghana for no o Ghana anyo obi na ya me de ne kan o request say me mfa won kan ho a na me de wo aka ho eye Ghana nsɛmsɛm yi ahun komo ane yedi no wo ho enye political say NDC MPP dabi eye Ghana enti eye Ghana somdwe WhatsApp group yate ye nyina ye kire ya adwene ewo ho ebia wo contribution of idea bi apese o de kan o so de ba na ye bobu hu kwan so ofi se ye faso a ebeboa ema foreigners yetimi etu omase ye ne foreigners na ekum enye ye ne Ghana di hie bia enti WhatsApp group no enye MPP asem enye NDC asem no kure ni empanifo ewo mu papa enti Mr. so obeka ho bia na wonkasa yim no bama no aye nice e dia mame bia moro sam no so na ye nkoye ni mu Nigeria ni abayewa bi a kire se wono awo nkoda mi no na wo nkoda mi no se bema no entake ne responsibility nti nkoda enketewa mi no wa poison won omo ma wuduro anum ewu ye be kwa kohwe saa so na kidnapper bi a kire se sa kidnapper ya mba be ka na asemi anya ba akofo mo ye nipa be ye mi ensa aposifo ache na ba ko okamode che se sa crime no robbery ni ade na oye ya na ye che no call police station na se de na call court ye kodi na asem o trial yini fi prison so o trial ye man bill na be nim no ye na age so nko bedwane abagana no wasaba betoa kidnapping so ewo Ghana bra onye Ghana ni Nigeria ni abrante na nokore ni wakwakoye kidnapping na biu am ya sa ache no kire se ye toto na no a ye bekwakoye sa video no abrante ya obedidi otumfo atem no watie mafutu no ti ye bra me betu no fo hwe Malope TV so Malope, thank you were a good brother to me me da se papa mafa wa adwen kire nti wa ba besesa nano abrante na besesa nano nti ye no so ye bekwakobo na yetie afi so Nigeria ni nice man bia kire se wono ye se ere mu wo dia wo ya ne se krono anu wo bo che wo wiwi ankrofo ne ne anadwo yo ba na da na obebo pumago na wukobie na no ato ahya wo so age wo no amanyina wiwi no asa wepo no wada nene ni tranye yi na kire se rabia wo to share so che se wo koji no ho no amanyina sa repo ne kam ewra ne ko post station corporate na ewra ne ba no kwan so no hia no se abranche ni new na che se wo mo grepo no mobile phone no kura na se bo ya bo papa ne pa je se ebusu ye be kwa kohwe no so ni nyina Nigeria fo sa bo ne fo sam nyina Nigeria fo na edi enye obi a ti ebusu ma ye twa ye ho semanje abofo nkrato mra fa ye ba na ye mbunra nsem ni Malope TV ana no kura ni nyansa ene ni mbiere kasa ye twa ye ho abasema.
Malope TV, in God we trust.
Abusia, in God we trust. Malope TV yakwa kwa badi ene na me nse bere esanse ebre eko ebre eko ebre eko. Okay, abusia yankoya ne moe yahwa brantie no a wobedi otumfo na pia mo apiafo wobedi natem amalope mebe kasa ho se debi wanya de no yankohwe na apology ne mbra sisia
nana otumfo nyamekese facheme na akwala kasaba no akwala timi kasabat na adwini mu no no ka nyensasem nenso impanyifo anim no eyenkwase asem ebia na mekasa mekan nana kotojogu form nsa dansa yem nana we de facheme na mano na efumuye na mpese ka mechire ma adwin se nanka nana adidiatam na ekoso no nanka nana betumi a nanka obidi ntafo atemu a yemfre na busuafo nanka yentwe naso na yenyina ye wo social media ha no yemfanye example adia na mpese ka meka no asema na ka mpese meka no se nana otumfo nyamekese nsa danse yem kotojogu form hwe nananum ti na fa me bone che minim se wo de wenya asem a wo de be ya asem ana minim se wo mpokura de nya de a de ekoso social media no wonim ho asem minim se wonim ba na ka me pese ka me kire ma adwen se nana sanka ebe ya nsantofo nkola na omudi mpanyufo anim twitwufo mtafo anim twitwufo edini mpanyufo atem no den asema na mpese meka ne senka na betumi a nanka obi bedi ntatani bi atema na panyini bi atema nanka mayeden my invite na busuafo nanka matwena so ade ana mehwehwe ni o asema nanka mpese meka no ba nam se eyaw ni abufuo na ewo mu a trouble colors beka nsema trouble colors kan no na eyaw ni abufuo na ewo mu ntino ena ma me kasa mu ye hash nyesa na me mitirim de na nyesa na pese meka asema na pese meka ne se nana nanka ebe ya omo amudi ntafo atem edi mpanyufo atem no nanka ebe ya hwoma so
abusia ya kwa he video na ba good akase nananom ere nana piao mesra wase abrantie no asesa na no edi ene na eja abrantie a wo he no ya arrogant pa oyobia oti we se nti mamua no munsua nyansa mu bedodo na nsua nyansa sebe se o kaseti a wo peni no yade a enye cause me kase kura no kai trouble carrots ya wo enam no so ma kodi otumfu atem kura me kase kura no otumfu ni trouble carrots ebia woni mu no mpo wonti ni di mpo da nti no no ma bi wo na mo nhye no so mo ye koda bible said we ja no name na nkwa na aware da wasase so nti afa no nso na eja abaiwe ya Nigeria ni abaiwe ya wo ku ono ani yemu ma mi no eja wajo ono angasa ni yemu ma o se be ma no taking a responsibility nti nkoda afa do wo manya bosome am se me ensa o se nan no abomodin akunkun kola mi no ya hwamra sisia.
Person don't know where this world they go again. Person don't even understand what they even they go on again. Allegedly, this woman will be say so they say she buy her 2 children. She give her twins something eat, made they buy. Now where she want for go carry the children body through. When now they for come catch the woman. When we say she they try to dispose the body of her own twins. Then they come ask her say, Madam, what's happen? Why you do this kind of evil heart? He said because of say the man when we say give her belly, he abandoned the children for her. You know they take care of the children. You know they call. You know even send about the children. Now she say make she suffer by them, make she relax. Just imagine this one be wetin Bible talk. He said in the last days he said mother will be against children because this one nana she dey against her children for her to even poison her own children bad them wan go dispose their body na there for concussion. This life people mind don too deep more na think if na wetin una feel how una go feel to even see this kind thing.
Abusia video na ya kwa akohwe aba no Nigeria ni abayo chase na woni mo say these people Nigeria I've already said say Nigeria for yankrofobia womo diponi a ayam hihie ni ho they were purposely and specially created to commit crimes ono ani yemu ma mienu abusia Nigeria ni abrante se Ghana ni una ni we ko wo ya ka wahu wonu ankasa ne yemu ma mienu wawie wom yo yeduro agu aduane mu amom and abusia maamenka asem we fantwam Ghana this year wa Ghana wa wo hweme makase protest kese pa ebeba so na ye February 20th eko I think say 20th nankasa no ebesi Friday entini ye de kosha 21st 22nd na ye weekends na obi atumi ababy na protest no is against Chukudi Jude. It's against Chukudi Jude. Abushia enti obia mbra bontene na Dani Drua be de ka eyini nyina flyer no ebeba beto abontene na papa no wo si ne kingdom wo bra wonye ken na otumi kodada wodukuro eka kire odukuro ne se mabakuro mu ha che allegedly ensemu a yatete no se Chukudi kwan ofa so nya up to now obi kura nim kwan ofa so nya asase no Chukudi antini botomu sika ankwan koto asase no yase wodada wodukuro no se wamu se krono ehia mpuntu enti no opese obesi hospital ne market ne ade de ma yi na ma yase asafo achezo dukuro no eka so ne ya adwenpa enti asase pese Chukudi se wa akwa no onto asase bia ye di asase ne ma no na kire se wode na adwene Chukudi Jude e de na adwene na wode na tiabusia. After this protest no we are the youth of this country. Me be show video bia Nigeria for bubu Igbo for dan with Lagos baby. Womo se kwa mo fa so si dan no eye kwambone se dia Chukudi eye bi wa ha no sa no so ye no bubu Igbo for dan na ye be transema Igbo ni Chukudi aka so be build ne kingdom wa ha Nigeria yempuntu wenye ni sika onko ni Nigeria. If you have gotten your money, go to Nigeria, go build whatever you wanted to build. Na some way ya Ghana from penny for so Emma wo munka ho hwe no. Bibisa Ghana from penny for for politicians, media houses, all Ghanaians say bibisa mo say Ghana ni di shebe timi akọ Nigeria. Aka so wakọt na wache wenye ni sika enti wo person building a kingdom. Mana ye possible ana. Enkrofo efre mi free Nigeria omo ya Ghana fo ne won abedu Ghana ha wo mo me Ghana Nigeria nkomo kire say even common store kura no Ghana ni unni opportunity so the ya odi build store Nigeria ni na be build store no wa rent. Secondly Ghana ni ntimi nto asase wo Nigeria nkase wo si mpofia wo betenam na ya tena se ma Chukudi Jude akase wo be build the kingdom dia ye say Ghanaian youth dia ya say ye ntwen pani bia. We are all coming out. Chukudi dan baby away no. We are telling you, we will come. We will. Ye be bubu dan oni ya hedi ye besi. Because medical kasa sa papa we sempeni fon sorry any mani we ya youth ye sorry am ka hwe ayentie. Because ye di need obuo amma ye mpanifo. Say Chukudi asemo hwe na monka. Say youth ni ye ni abre. Kidnapping ne shase wo Ghana. Yempe problem ya Nigeria for ye nipa bone for mo bo memu aye ho ntoyenda. So we are coming out into every youth wo hweme. Wo person be come team ne ho a just pick the number. Eti yempre ama Chukudi ensa ye Ghana ema ye so de o ma say Nigeria. Na say ma te say ye say ai sa kwa destiny o ma ho anwan no e de abetu ja say omo ye kun Ghana ni Nigeria ni dishie bi o ye oba wo Ghana ha. Ana nani abre na wo ye nkase mu a me pese be so video na emehi na wo ye nkase mu o try so de be she Ghana for na me ka kire wo so wo sa destiny no wa onya collect ya ye ku Ghana ni dihye ewo no kura koye adwuma mo o man so mo man ye ku no Nigeria be sinne Nigeria for mo dia na mo ka fa mo minister every Nigeria say mo vice every Nigeria ebedru Ghana no na yenim so de chopper na eba wa meka ye lady a ye dehia na mo kunu no anya ho asem no beka yo pamo ye ni abra ye pese Nigeria for di boni ye pese ye pam na no ho no bepa cho osre mahama se osre ha na the stam no ye nkasa o social media biem ye ba ye underground work awie Chukudi ye de wudi besie ni abusia ye nko number 2 video ye he kidnapper ya Wono ye chi no ko prison ye command bill aye owo try ye di na say o plan san ko bagana na wabeto na adwuma so ene wakoya another kidnapping and robbing ama ya chi no ye ntie mra.
Our inside a kidnapping group, our leader is a Merense.
What type of gun do you people use? What type of gun was recovered from you people?
AK-47.
How many?
2.
How long have you been in this business? How long?
I was inside prison yard. I was been in this business over a month ago now. I was inside prison yard. Since I was from here, I go to prison yard.
No, that's not the question. This kidnapping, where is it?
He was arrested in the past
by
the police.
Arraigned
in court, and then he was remanded at the correctional service custodial center.
Okay.
But somehow he managed to find his way back into the society.
Without being discharged, without being acquainted.
How did you find a way? How did you find a way out from the
jailbreak?
I found my way from court.
Okay. Now, he was on a waiting trial. Along the line, he was granted bail. He went back home. And then regrouped. He regrouped, joined a larger syndicate, and then decided to terrorize Imolites by moving into armed robbery and kidnapping.
People, let me ask him this question. How many, see, if you ask now, like, have you been, how many people don't kidnap? Done it like 20, 10, 15, 100? Like, how many?
The first time.
Hold on, sir. How many people? How many people?
We have kidnapped 2 people.
2. Yes. Only 2. So how much will you collect? Ransom now, how much will you collect? And how much be your share?
My share is 600,000.
For 1 or for 2?
For that one.
Okay, the second one, uncle?
The second one, I'm not around with the carry the money.
How much ransom did you collect in that?
How much ransom? How much will I collect total?
The money we have collected for that doctor from our mama. What they told me is 4 million.
Now get it.
4 million.
You know, kidnapping and armed robbery, they are organized crimes, and every criminal syndicate involved has its own role to play. He played a role in executing the kidnapping, and the share given to him was
600,000.
600,000. That is what you can say. So we are intensifying efforts to apprehend order of his accomplice at large. So, and is here on a valid court order. Okay. On a valid court order, which we are going to see show to the public.
Okay. Let me ask you now. Now, where you there, police now? Having escaped the first time from court, how do you feel? How are you feeling now that you are back to police custody again?
Please,
kidnapping is good. That's what they say. Is it a good business?
It's not a good business. Kidnapping is not a good business. And what is not a good business? The official government can give me.
Kelechi. So the magistrate where that campaign need to be investigated.
Come.
I will tell you. The judge, whoever, need to be investigated.
Good morning. Can you see me very well?
They are our colleagues.
What am I putting on? Police uniform. Okay, did I touch you?
No.
Did I intimidate you?
No.
Did anybody intimidate you?
No.
Did anybody torture you?
No.
I know why I'm asking that question. So please.
Tell us, look at what you do. Tell us your name, where you are from, and what brought you to Tiger Base.
Okay, my name is Solomon Adibema. I'm from Imo State in Java. What brought me here is that someone shoots my brother, and the Tiger Base is working good, and they are investigating to get those people. Since I was here, they are checking to get those people, and they are working very well on it.
So guys, were you arrested though? I don't get it.
I was arrested, yes, sir.
Why were you arrested?
To call those people so that they will investigate it very well.
You know them?
Can you explain the case, Oga?
Sir, please explain. We are not getting what he said.
The case of brother that involved his own brother.
Himself?
Yes. He said they want to fortify themselves.
Okay.
In the courts. So they took one guy from their village that took them to the native doctor. So whereby they are in the process of
shooting the audition.
The involved brother
died.
Yes.
Okay.
He now went home.
Okay.
To go and break the news. He didn't tell them anything. It's what we do the interrogation.
Okay.
He now confessed.
Okay. He's an accomplice now.
Boy, you are. I think you are here by like a like 5 days or 6 days now.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen where police torture anybody to compare to me?
No, sir.
Have you ever seen where anybody brought everyone over yourself and kill somebody?
No, sir.
You don't see.
He is here on a valid court order.
Okay.
So it's like you get the court order so that.
I need to answer this question. So why did you go to fortify yourself? You want to go into armed robbery, or you want to go into kidnapping? Because there must be motive, very negative motive behind it. Why did you go to fortify yourself to go do your DSC?
The reason why that we go there is to protect ourselves. I don't know. I can't inform.
Protect yourself over what? Are you fighting a civil war?
No.
Why?
The reason why we do it is to protect ourselves because I am the only
Gentlemen of the press, on behalf of the gentlemen of the press, human rights organization, civil society group, on behalf of the Commissioner of Police, Imo State Command, CP Aboki Danjuma, I want to thank each and every one of you for coming to anti-kidnapping unit today. You have seen this place for yourself. We would like you to go outside and report what you have seen. You know, there are reports that this place is a slaughtering house, that this place is an abattoir, is a dungeon, that people are being killed here and their organs are being harvested. Please go out there and tell people what you have seen. Tell them if we are into any of these crimes, or if that is not true, let them know. So let me make it clear that we are ever committed to ensuring that we provide adequate security for all and sundry in Imo State. And we are not going to listen to criminal apologists that want to compel us to derail from our primary responsibility of keeping the peace and security of Imo State. We will continue to do our best to make sure that Imo State remains peaceful. And as you can see for yourself, there has been improved peace and security in Imo State. Nightlife has returned back to Imo State. The glory of Imo State as the home of hospitality is gradually returning back into Imo State. So we are doing our best, and will continue to do our best to make sure that criminal suspects are being arrested and dealt with decisively with the law. So to criminally minded elements who are hell-bent on circulating misinformation, fake news, just to discredit the police, please and please, I want to warn you all to desist from such behavior, because we have the Cybercrime Prohibition Act, and we are definitely going to apprehend you when you continue doing this, and then prosecute you in accordance with the law. Let me make it clear once more that we are ever committed to improving the peace and security of Imo State for economic growth and development. Thank you very much.
Abusia abrantie boni tirimu po sanko oba Ghana betwa kidnapping and robbing. Na Ghana migration debi aye ne mo kasa. Em se migration for mo Ghana muni yere muni ma. Debi aye ne mo kasa. Se mate se yese asawefo Nigeria fo no. Ombo fa nsuo so na eba. Na nsuo so no bambo ni ho ana. Yesi bi efre bibi so we bi fa bush. Mo fa border nso so allegedly ne so mo tieska. Yesi gu o ma be gu Ghana ha no. Ye betu ho na mon. O se be 3 days amon temenka no me se eno ma gu akwan mu. Enche Ghana fo nyina be unsampa indeed malope ye Ghana ni awo dwene Ghana ho. Ghana dama koma so. Me say Nigeria fo ni betu o ma se. I am assured every Ghanaian that this so-called Nigeria, Nansiara, member ye be 3 days or 4 days, I member ye, and you are watching Nigeria for 53. Another cyber crime. Yes, I'm watching Nigeria for 53. Every day Nigeria, Nigerians has become a problem for the African. Nigerians has become a problem for the African. Ghana nkwande ne ye hu Nigeria for ye man peni chese ye kan won tin so odogo bi nu abe wo Nigeria for nsensam, all because he has become a king in Nigeria. Now we are not going to wait for any elder because you say penny bi any o mani mu. So we are coming ourselves, the youth. We are not going to allow these so-called Nigerians, criminal Nigerians. Ashawe for ni betuma see start here for doom. Chukudi, that your school. We are coming to close the school down. We are not going to allow any Igbo school in Ghana. We don't have any Ghana school in Nigeria. So we are not going to allow. We are coming out. Yeah, protest now. Say, oh, down who be moi. Yeah, bro. Me ka factor. We are not going to joke. Yeah, bre. Yeah, Bonnie are kidnapper. Yeah, kidnappers. Akwa we boni trim poso oba Ghana. Omu bako. A boni trim poso oba Ghana. And we are not going to interrogate this kind of nonsense. I was here. We have another video. Hey, abrati papa penny bi pa kire se wono ne dia wo ye wo Nigeria ho ane se wo bebo opun papa penny obetumi aye adwuma mo de ebe video no wo bebo opun a na se wo fa phone bra fa sika bra wo ba na nkwa na wo da wa na se wo wurepu aka ho ana okore wakoye wrong eyi ye hwemra
Baba mumuchungunzi. Hayi la baba zelo lo.
Yeah, vimene papa. Nigeria na juma na ni wana. The Nigerians say they have a big a land. They say small Ghana, small Ghana, small Ghana. But small Ghana, you Nigerians, your mouth, you they talk as if you don't get sense. Your mouth, you they talk basa, small Ghana, small Ghana. You have using Ghana as say Matisi as Dangote kura ye free ne so say onye Nigeria ni nemo ye Ghana ni allegedly or praise of Ghana ni say Dangote so ye Ghana ni onye Nigeria ni. Yes, now most of the Nigerians wanted to claim say omo ye Ghana for. Ebusia Malope TV edu achire pa. If you say ensem bia ya meka bia no eye adwuma. Me be ye video bi me maka cho sa IGP hwe me. I'm telling you, I am the main brag, but I am telling you the truth. Malope is the only YouTube media IGP ehme. Me be show video bi say police ni APA CPA assistant police ni bi won shada anye police na a watch sika bi efi driver ni bi ho ade a chinye ni 3 days time was in following week IGP dia betu dia say no bribe for police or your conference you know. But Mr. IGP tete yo hono be chia baby a wo bia eno de asam na aka na nya adwuma me ya driver ni me license na kra me ya driver ni. I am telling you, highway patrol dear, womo ntisa, but I am telling you, sir, so also bribe untwamo dear, and ye just so ma MTTU, white of one every council. Once or more council, dear. I give you boy, why you are dear papa, dear, that's how we are now here. But I am telling you, sir, bribe because ye can police and you bribe pa dear, and ye MTTU, white one. Asa, apart from the police, if well, highway patrol on Joseph out. No. One no more check ebia SBT adem no ama bone omkro mo check ka paper and to people who are woni highway patrol team ni issue ebia one more ha adwene and the bribe no be koso agia ya white and omkro me kan yo munim apart from to no say o pese bribe na o kan ho asem no etutwa party ama police fo na mo sha white dan pare ye bi mo mu free kwan so asomdwe beba. And no. Enti why are there papa? Abusia, ye hwe fulani fu enti mansamu a mebeka ye IGP tie pa. Enti IGP de aye adwuma. Enti we so me ye sure so de be ye adwuma. Afa Nigerian bloggers now ye be so si wo so say. Wo mu hwe ye no man say Ghana is beauty. Un say this time wo majan. Me say Malope international. O ha ana obetie good news. Aha na ye kan nokore ne kire. Ochina ye Friday. Abusia na ebe ye gigim. Saturday mene Nyash yebe interview. Saturday so na mene papaya ofi Nigeria ba ye said na share 3rd February but Saturday coming no. Sorry, Monday ono so yebe ni interview. Amania wakofam ewo Nigeria. abontene eso me yehwe fulani foyi emra fulani foyi a wo mo se yanyom citizen no se se de omunya ba bi kuranda yehwe omni o manantwe egu nwirem yehwe omomra abusia fulani foyi enkrofo bi a kire se wo mo asem na da bia ye kan wo mo se hwe dia Ghana fo ka kora de wo mo nti so dogo bi no abe wo mo de wo mo nantwe be se nkrofo mfo de wo mo banche wo mo wie krom so abanche no be se tutu akakodi enya de obi abetumi ayo mo foku hwe de wo mo ye wo mo de mo hwe wo mo tutu banche ne sade nantwe ne se nkrofo fo de wo mo so mo nti so dogo bi no abe kora de wo mo so be yo no wo be ye hwe fulani fo no mo hwe mo su ene wo mo ban o mo de ti wo man mo de mo hwe se nkrofo banche Moshe, the Fulani for the Dioma nature Yaman for banche. It's 2 banche no saseno. 2 Fulani, banche where to know, to 2 banche you go. Was in a one red banche no. Obedient to me, folk or more, yeah, best sunny tregu, so more. Abusia he wo ma firi kuro bi na aba Ghana wo munya ba bi nna enti we echa kakra o se ye ne citizen onu anim so mfiri Ghana ha Fulani ni nim se mfiri Ghana wo ba bi a wo ne omo ne o ma na ntwegu nwirem na se wo ba bi da wo Ghana anka wo de nyan kwa didi awi a nantwe ne kwa didi awi a anwira kodo wo ba begubu no nkoda ne dem onye Ghana ni eso wo prese yenye citizen onya Ghana ni o eso obe pressure yenye ne citizen o de wirem howo akwanza sabita frache oya santini ne wafiri asante renya bankra mamu ha na wo be ka kire ga manche se wontwa asase ma na aye nkra de hye wo bra wonim se wo yotumfo nana unye ga manche nana enti Fulani fo enim so munye Ghana fo eso wo mo pressure hwe ba bi o mo dane wo mo nantwie Ebusia ene de mi yimi tikeke me momo se me wo ho fiti wo kina kono ene adwuma no ye be ye na kese pa aha Malope TV aha na nokora ni nyansa ne nimdie no ekasa Ebusia person bedwane ye WhatsApp group no a Ghana Asomdwe WhatsApp group sene adwuma de ya to ne din Ghana Asomdwe no Ghana Asomdwe WhatsApp group o person bedwane mpacho fa number ne go screen ase no eno asa ye momo nti o fa now what's sending me WhatsApp? Hi Malope, I wanted to join the group. Me do ebe kan. Emma also wababeka team no ehun. Afa we a boy, girl, we a youth. Mama nka sa, we a youth. So ye be man no ba. Opeso be ka Malope team no. Me team. Team I dey call outside when it comes to demonstration, when it comes to everything. We are rising. I write Ghanaian youth. Said ye boy you know. And to your youth, but just call me and I WhatsApp me. Me do be kan atro udini any wade nyina me patcho me pay youth or Ghana card. Who your Ghana youth now need Ghana card. I mean to be found count. Cause about a critical you show your Ghana card and power indeed we are Ghana ni. And you know, because me can say youth was in Nigeria need the one baby film. And to your youth or Ghana card and patcho contact here. We are coming out. Ye titima ye de ba bontene. I'm telling you, no maybe I mean to come on social media, but ye team ye the ba bontene. We are youth now domain no mind that wakuma so just contact me. Ebusia maminchia me manager Doris Asanto. Maminchia wa mo Asomdwe Ghana Asomdwe group no munyina ewo Malope TV WhatsApp group no. Michia munyina maminchia AP citizen omonsoso michia o baby o wo bia na michia mapo onsoso wo TikTok. Michia munyina. Maminchia Nyash ohoye bigiri se ohoye papa ya me ehira no onye okese me pacho obi apese wo so ma sene Malope you are doing a good job you we na ya factor data na always be no for Ghana and some ebrey enwumre 8 de ebucha menye sure se metumi aba na emom nyame adoma wo kina awia 2 o'clock said ya wo hwe mi ya no obesanso asa enyame biom yami sure no yon kese baby a wo bi apese be ye wo interview e bia what na Nigeria pen we experience a wunya no Nigeria o frame on phone o flash me amefro na ma ye wo interview e bia wo ntimi ne me nhia o pese me ba baby a wo be ye wo interview so ametimi aba enya ne san so dia betimi ayo interview on phone be sure yami sure no yon kese but more dia so be share link no subscribe YouTube channel imame na bo adoma na so nti bibia betom bia no na won so onsa atumi akabe meda wase ha ana bre ne bema kwan na malope me awia show e Ghana asomdwe enkomodie no e de asi nyame adoma wachina Friday mesa so ene wo e de ahia makrao bye bye